Hello, this is Dan Ferrisi, Editor-in-Chief with Commercial Integrator. Delighted to be back here at the HDBaseT Alliance booth at ISE 2023. And I'm especially delighted to be joined by my colleague, Mark Loftus, who is Business Lead with AV-iQ. Mark, good to see you. Thank you for taking some time to speak with me.
Yeah, thanks for having me. Glad to be here with you.
So I think a lot of people recognize AV-iQ for what it is, which is a really indispensable information source for the commercial AV industry. Do you want to give our audience just a little bit of background about what AV-iQ is and the really unparalleled value proposition that it provides?
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks. And so AV-iQ has been around for a little over 20 years in the commercial AV space. And in its simplest terms, we're an aggregator of content for all the manufacturers that come to an event like this to showcase their products. And as you know, attendees always tell us that seeing new technology is the most important thing about coming to an event like this. Well, AV-iQ is a platform that allows them to research product information, do product comparisons, and really find the latest technology year-round on our platform. So we pull in product information primarily, but from various manufacturers. We also include marketing content, videos, news, case studies, online training material. Just a one-stop location, database that's very searchable for integrators, AV professionals, AV engineers, tech managers to find all of the detailed product information they need in a efficient way, in a common format. Really saves them a lot of time and effort to make those purchasing or installation decisions about what products they need.
And I had said at the outset that we're here at the HDBaseT Alliance booth, and I know HDBaseT Alliance and AV-iQ have a partnership whereby essentially the certified products are all kind of listed in a catalog in AV-iQ. Is that correct? Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, thank you. One of the nice things about a flexible database like we have, we can take all of the products and customize it into a digital catalog. For HDBaseT specifically, we've taken their certified product list and attached all of the detailed specifications for HDBaseT in a filterable, searchable catalog that they embed in their website. Makes it easy for all of these members to showcase their products, and again, for the integrators to make the decisions on which item they need to put into their installation. Along with that, in the same format, we do the same thing for integrators across the channel as well. So integrators can access this database, and we build custom digital catalogs that they embed on their websites with their preferred brands as well.
The other thing I wanted to ask about is, obviously, AV-iQ is very, very well known, has a tremendous amount of brand equity. The new thing I'm hearing, though, is CE Pro IQ. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Yeah, absolutely. So when we were acquired last year by Emerald, who has the media brand CE Pro and, of course, owns the CEDIA Expo show, we were able to take this platform and replicate it for the residential custom install marketplace as well. So we launched that at CEDIA 2022, just about 5-6 months ago, and so that's our new endeavor. It's same concept, taking all the product information and making it accessible to the marketplace, where they can do product research, product comparisons in that residential market.
So if people want more information about AV-iQ, CE Pro IQ, opportunities to participate in the platform, where would they go? Who should they reach out to?
Yeah, so if you're an end user that needs to use the platform, of course, you can just go to our website, av-iq.com, and it's an open public website. You can create an account for free and use it as a tool to help you in your job of specifying products. As an integrator or a manufacturer who wants to be listed on the platform, you can contact sales at av-iq.com. And one of our representatives will reach out to you and let you know how to get involved.
Mark Loftus, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate the insights into AV-iQ, CE Pro IQ, and I look forward to continuing to see the platforms develop and blossom under your leadership and those of others. So thank you so much for being here.
Thanks, Dan. Thanks for having me.